Hey guys, welcome back to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can get your Snapchat streak back. At first go to Snapchat, then click on your profile, then go to settings, then scroll down until it says I need help. From there click on contact us. Now click on I have lost my Snap streak. And then a form will be given where you have to put all of your information, what device you're using, and then your friend's username with whom you lost the snap streak. And then suppose it happened today or yesterday, write that. And then you have to put how long the snap streak was. If you can't remember the exact date, try to give something around it and then see if you have this icon or not and click on no. And then say, hey Snapchat, I have streak with my friend for I guess 100 days, but I lost it. Please help me get it back. Thank you. And then click on send. After 24 hours of review, your Snapchat streak should be back. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.